Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Sentra radio. First, let's cover the simplest method. Often, minor issues can be resolved with a soft reset. This usually involves pressing and holding specific buttons on your radio for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action can clear temporary errors and restore basic functionality without losing your saved settings. It's a great first step for any small glitch you might encounter. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset is the next step. This involves disconnecting your car's battery to completely cut power to the radio. Locate your car battery, usually under the hood, and carefully disconnect the negative terminal. Leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes to ensure all residual power drains. This process effectively reboots the entire system, often resolving more persistent problems. Another effective method is to reset the radio via its fuse. Your Nissan Sentra has a fuse box, typically located under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Consult your owner's manual to find the specific fuse for your radio. Carefully remove this fuse for about 5 to 10 seconds, then reinsert it. This action interrupts the power supply to the radio, forcing a reset without disconnecting the entire battery. After performing any reset, you might need to re-enter security codes or reprogram your favorite radio stations. Take a moment to test all functions, including Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and sound settings, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking to upgrade your home audio, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and smart home features. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your newly reset radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.